everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a host on Google Meeting. If you'd like to talk with your friends or conduct a business meeting, you can easily use Google Meet and become a host. It lets you plan a virtual meeting ahead of time or start an instant meeting right away. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser first. In the web address bar at the top, type in meet.google.com and enter. You'll end up in the home page of Google Meet. If needed, you might have to log into your account by entering your Google account's credentials. Once you're in, click on the new meeting. Now, you'll be able to see this pop-up appearing. Soon after you do that, you can either create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or even schedule a meeting on your Google Calendar. In my case, let me click on Create a Meeting for Later. Once you click on that, a dialog box will appear giving you a link to copy. Simply copy the link by clicking on this copy button right next to it, and your meeting link has been copied. Now you can paste it in an email or messaging service to invite other people to join into your meeting. Once you send it to the members that you'd like to invite, they should easily be able to click on that link that you send and they'll be able to join into the meeting. Now you can cross this dialog box out, and that way you can create a meeting. You can also plan a meeting using Google Calendar. Click on the new meeting button, click on Schedule in Google Calendar option from the pop-up. On the next tab, simply go ahead and type in your details for your meeting into the respective text boxes. Given a title for your meeting, select the date that you'd like the meeting to start, enter your other details that you'd like to mention, fill in all of the information, and after filling in the event details, click on the Add Guest box right under Guests and add in the guests for your meeting. Under Guest Permissions, allow your guests to either modify events, to let them invite others, or see the guest list by clicking on these boxes right here, and finally click on Save. Now, to send the invitation for your guests, click on Send. Now the event will be added to your calendar. In order to start your meeting by becoming a host, click on the meeting and then click on Join with Google Meet in order to start your meeting. That is how you'll be able to become a host on Google Meet by starting a meeting. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.